You know, when we have a business, you're constantly thinking, how can you improve your business? You know, if you've got a shop and if you know, I've got this here, maybe if I move this from this side of the table to here, then maybe I'll be able to sell it easier. You know, you see people in shops that they say, okay, you know, if you put the bread and the milk at this side, or you move these goods to this side, the customers come here and they see it. I had a friend, he had a car accessory shop. And I went into him one day and I said to him that, look, you know, how often do your customers come? And he said every half hour, every 40 minutes, every 20 minutes. I said, do you not get bored? What are you doing in this time, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, waiting for a customer? What do you do? He said, oh, I never get bored. I said, what do you do? He said, I walk up and down my shop. I keep on walking up and down my shop. I said, okay, you get the exercise, but what's the benefit? He said, I walk up and down my shop and I think to myself, you know this, maybe if I put that there, it'd sell better, it looks better. Maybe instead of getting this type of pen, if I got that type of pen, I'd be able to sell it better. Maybe if I stack them up this way instead of stacking up that way, they would look better. And he said, all day long, I walk up and down my shop and I look at every single item and say to myself, is this item placed in the best position for me to sell this product? Is the price of this product right? Am I displaying it correctly? Am I advertising it correctly? Have I got the right quantity to show up to people? Am I promoting it in the right place? Is it in the right part of the shop? If I'm selling oil, then the oil filters should be there where the oil is, not where the air fresheners are. So I'm constantly pondering over this. What about our akhirat? What about our deeds? Do we ever ponder over them? What about, you know, looking at ways to earn profit in the business of the hereafter? What about pondering over, look, what do I do today? What can I do today? What can I do today to earn more rewards? What are the options available to me? Do we ever sit down and think, you know what? Today's Friday. Today, I go and read Jummah. Today, after Jummah, I'm going to stay in the masjid till Asr. Today, after that, I'm going to, you know what, I can go to the graveyard, I can go and earn rewards there, I can go and do dua for the deceased. Do we on a daily basis make a plan of how today I can make as much good deeds as possible? Or are we amongst those unfortunate people that when we get up in the morning on a Friday, instead of making plans for Jummah, instead of making plans to stay in the masjid, instead of making plans to go to the Qabristan, to go to the graveyard, we're making plans for Friday night. We're making plans to go and see our mates, go out partying, drinking, committing all sorts of sins. Are these the plans that we are making?